Hello. I am Hussein. In this video, I will talk about YouTube SEO and how my service will help you. What is YouTube SEO? YouTube SEO is the process of optimizing your videos, playlists, and channel to rank high in YouTube's organic search results for a given search. I will optimize your video. Title: I will write eye-catchy title. Description: I will write SEO optimized long description. Tags: I will research low competitive long tail, short tail, and suggested keyword. What is my secret, you may ask? I am just a professional who is. Are you struggling to grow on YouTube? Or do you want more likes, views, subscribers? Then there has no alternative to do YouTube video SEO.